Hello my friends, just checking out the garden today with the atmospheric antenna. Northern facing antenna, 12 gauge wire. 12 gauge wire going into the ground. I just added some Fibonacci's for fun. We have the pumpkins growing happily. Couple tomatoes. I threw those in 2 weeks ago, so they're just little stragglers. Yeah, what I'm doing is adding a electrical grid as well. I have 12 gauge wire down, about 2 feet apart. It's 9 by 12. Then I'm gonna put magnets at the end so I can magnetize it. There's that third pumpkin. And then the 2 pumpkins right next to the atmospheric antenna.